Pasibayong lang misanmentung ding balen ning Magalang, Pampanga at Concepcion, Tarlac, kay bisa ng Sisterhood Agreement amipirman anyang July 7. Anyang panahon dareng Espanyol, metong lamang balen ning Magalang at Concepcion at mayayaw siya iting San Bartolome. O ning uli ning Maragula Almug, may kawanila rang adwang balen.
The history of Magalang and Concepcion during the Spanish period is a testament to the resilience, perseverance, and sense of community of the people who settled in these areas. It is through their efforts that these towns emerged and flourished, shaping the vibrant communities we now know today.
Basta man makanini ing mga palyari, naman kanumila ko ing malalam ang koneksyon daring adwang balen, lakwas metong muna man kanuing karelang nasa bang masensu.
So from this challenging and transformative event, our neighboring municipality emerged, laying foundations to two new communities. While this separation physically divided our towns, our shared origins and the historical connection that binds us cannot be undermined. It did not sever the deep-rooted connection and the shared heritage that ran through the veins of our communities. So this is a testament of our resilience and determination to thrive even in the face of adversity.
Agpang pakareng pamuntok dareng adwang balen, lakwas pa si kananing Sisterhood Agreement ang kultura, turismo, infrastructure projects, ampang social services kang Magalang at Concepcion. Liana Canilaw, CLTV 36 News.